Today we're going to show you how to change a Toyota 4Runner key fob battery, which we've got right here. So you're going to need a CR 2016 battery to replace the 4Runner key battery. And this is going to work for 2020 and 2021 Toyota 4Runners. It'll work for the 3-button version or the 4-button version of the key. There's a little tab here on the corner of the 4Runner key. You're going to insert your screwdriver and you're going to pry up. That's going to give you access to the key fob. And then you're going to turn it upside down, which is a trick a lot of people don't know. And that's going to save you a whole bunch of time so those buttons don't fall out and you don't have to go scrambling looking for those. And then you've got the battery module in here. You just stick your screwdriver in there and gently pry up. And you can see those buttons are just held in by the pressure of the key module. So turning it upside down, it prevents them from falling upside down. Then you've got this, it says use a coin to open the battery module. So there's a little ledge right here. You can use a coin there, or you can use a screwdriver, which we've already got out. So we're going to use that and we're just going to pry. That's going to give us access to the Toyota 4Runner key battery. We open up the module right here and now we've got access to it. It's a CR 2016. We've got a link to that in the description below. So click that to help us out. And then you're just going to pry the battery gently up here. You don't want to use too much pressure. It shouldn't be hard to get out. And that's because there's these little plastic tabs around the outside. They have a tendency to break, so you want to be very gentle with that. You don't want to break those little tabs. We take our new CR 2016 battery. We insert it into the Toyota 4Runner key fob module. Gently put pressure on the spring, engage all the tabs, and then I like to pull down and that makes sure that this is all engaged, and the plus symbol needs to be up on this when you replace that battery for the Toyota 4Runner key fob. Now you're going to take your plastic cover, you're going to put that back in place, then you're going to put it back into the Toyota 4Runner key. This is going to work for the 2021 and 2020 modules of the Toyota 4Runners. You're going to press that cover back in place, and now you have replaced your battery on your Toyota key. So thanks for watching. Please give us that thumbs up, subscribe, click any links below. That does help support the channel, or leave a comment. We always appreciate hearing from you and how this helped. And every time you subscribe, it helps us provide more content for you and other people in the future so you can DIY all kinds of stuff and save yourself a little bit of money. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.